Hey everyone, today, I will show you a simple process to download and install Google Chrome on your Windows 11 computer. Let's dive in. Firstly, ensure you have at least one browser installed on your PC. Windows typically comes with Microsoft Edge as the default browser. You can easily access it by clicking on the Start menu and typing Edge. Now, to download Google Chrome, simply type Google Chrome into the search bar and hit Enter. This will lead you to the official Google Chrome website. Once you are on the website, you can now directly see the download option for Chrome. Simply click on it, and it will start downloading. If it did not start, click on Download Chrome manually. Once it's downloaded, click here. After the download starts, minimize it. Now, it will first download and then install. So, we have successfully downloaded the Chrome browser on your Windows computer. You can access it by searching for Chrome in the Start menu or using the desktop shortcut created during installation. And there you have it. In this video, we've covered the straightforward steps to download and install Google Chrome on Windows. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next video.